Hello, this is another Hunter Node Timer instructional video. Hold down the center key to get the time coming up. You can see it's Tuesday, 11:19 a.m. The battery has some juice. This is a one-station timer. If you have two stations, it'll say 1, 2, and it'll show you the different chords. 1, 2, 3, 4 is another common one. So click the center button to go from the time to the date, and then click it again to go to the start time. Center button again to get to the duration. One more time to get to the calendar, how many days of the week you want it to water. And then one more time gets you to the percent, which is the percent of the minutes that you set. So if we have 10 minutes on there, we're doing 10 minutes at 100%, 11 minutes, 15 minutes. If it's hot out, or if it's not as hot out, you go down to 5 minutes is the 60%, 70%, 7 minutes of 10 minutes, 8 minutes of 10 minutes, or 100% is however long you're setting it for. So that's the percent and what that means on the Hunter Node timer. Happy gardening.